Imagine knowing real-time prices, total market cap, and sentiment in crypto all for free, centralized in one place. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. I would like to introduce you to the one and only CoinMarketCap. And if you guys do not know anything about this, which you should, it technically tracks thousands of cryptocurrencies, and it does all this by market cap. Not only that, but by price and volume along with supply, which is actually very beneficial. Now, it does offer live historical charts, and you guys can actually see that right here. It helps definitely analyze trends. So, for example, we can just kind of click on Bitcoin, and you guys can see right here, we can click to all, and you guys can see right there, it definitely shows the overall trend here, right? Which is actually pretty cool. Not only that, you guys, but they do have what is known as a greed and fear index, which is probably one of my favorite things to look at. And this technically measures market sentiment, all right?
Do you want to crush your niche and get qualified leads nonstop? YTRanker.net can turn your brand into a lead magnet. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to kick it off with incognito mode. We're going to go directly to YouTube, and you guys will see right here. Easy and simple. Very top right, we're going to go to language, which is going to be English, and location, we're going to have it set as the United States. Now, we're going to go ahead and search two different things. The first thing is going to be tiny URL alternatives, and you guys will see right here, boom, easy and simple. All right, I'm literally at the very top. That is me. That is my face. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and do another search, which is going to be best free AI image background remover. And once again, you guys, look at that. I am the very top search. Now, these are the kind of results that we are talking about. So if you are craving more leads and next level brand authority, go to YTRanker.net. We don't just rank, we dominate. Let's get back to the video.
Now, something else that's pretty cool to do here, you guys, whenever it comes to say CoinMarketCap is technically, we're talking about portfolio and watch list tools. So you guys, whenever it comes to that stuff, you guys, you're going to actually provide, let's say, a secure private portfolio tracker, right? And this is actually going to help to monitor your holdings, fees, not only that, but your P&L, okay? In that case, you guys will see right up here, you'll be able to actually sign in, but you guys will see right here, we got the portfolio. Okay, and we even have the watch list. All right, so obviously you definitely want to make sure that you log in or sign up, whatever you need to do, so you can actually get yourselves going. Now, I will tell you guys right now, you can also connect your wallets, such as like Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, etc., for automatic balance tracking. Right, you can create a customizable watch list and actually set price alerts. Okay, you can do all that right here, you guys, whenever it comes to CoinMarketCap, right? Top of the line. Now, something else that's also pretty cool to talk about here, you guys, if you take a look up here, you guys will see that they do have a lot of different things. But I will tell you guys that they do have educational, okay? They do have educational and insight resources. So technically, they have a CoinMarketCap Academy with 4,000 plus articles and guides on crypto topics, right? And you can even feature Explorer, the DEX scan, right? So you guys can see that right here, the DEX scan for DeFi analytics and meme coin tracking, okay? Which is actually really cool. If we actually go back to the main part, I will tell you guys right now that they do have API and developer ecosystem. Technically offers free plus paid APIs. So we're talking about real time plus historical market, right? And not only that, you guys, but global metrics endpoint, okay? And you guys, obviously, this is widely used by institutions. We got exchanges, apps, and developers, all right? Now, this was actually founded in 2013. And I remember when I started in the crypto, which was 2017, you guys, Binance actually acquired CoinMarketCap in 2020, right? And it still operates independently, which is very important, all right? So I want you guys to understand they're frequently cited in massive places. So we're talking about Forbes, Bloomberg, NYT, CNBC. Not only that, they do have indices and metrics. So you guys, we're talking about they launched what is known as CMC 200 and the CMC 200 EX indices. That was in 2019. This was actually on Bloomberg NASDAQ. That even introduced a liquidity metric to highlight real trading volumes, right? And then obviously, as you guys kind of briefly saw, you can actually download this like on your phone, right? iOS and Android apps, right? They track over like 45,000 plus markets, news, portfolio on the go. And you guys, we're talking about a tool for DeFi and security. So remember, you guys, the DEX scan right up here, you guys, it monitors 50 plus blockchains with analytics, security, and alerts. All right. So big opportunity here, you guys. Coin market cap. Check it out. You really don't want to miss out on this, you guys. Like I stated, this is something I definitely use every single day. I love to use it, right? I love to go through it. I love to see what's happening. You guys can see right here for this DEX scan. I mean, this is big nowadays. You can see what is considered safe and what is considered cautious, right? So obviously cautious normally means it's a little bit suspicious, okay? So, I highly recommend that you guys dive down into CoinMarketCap. Let me know exactly what you guys think as mentioned, and just do not miss out, all right? Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, if you will, please let me know, what did you guys think? Overall, absolutely love this. This is something I use constantly. So check out the links down below in the description. Make sure that you leave a comment. And obviously, smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.